profit or loss selling its product. Because when I see an X ad, I don't actually go out and immediately buy out an X in the market. Because that's not my choice. My choice is something different. My taste is something different. So I guess it depends on the taste of the customer. So it's irrespective of whether the company is trying to make a profit or try to make a loss.
So you would say you are more rational in your choice.
Right,
Okay, let's see what about
Sir,
yes, sir. I hold it down.
Now you said.
What question? I mean, just tell me. You keep saying.
Well, I beg to differ with Sheik's view because I think that as a housewife, advertisements are only the source to know about the product, and if they make those attractive ads which are not true, then I might get swayed away by those ads, and even my family members, like my kids, can get away if they go some cool candy ads, they will definitely compel me to buy those candy.
Yeah, because they are not emotionally that mature to understand what is good and what is bad, what our dear director is saying. We have one question coming from Bangalore from the candidate. Yes, sir. So please introduce yourself and say what question you have and with whom. Yeah.
My name is Rahul Jaswal and my question is to the student from second guy.
Yeah.
So it is like you said, you've got your choices when you buy a DO or whatever be the product. But it is basically not all the customers are literate and they get fascinated by the things you show on the street.
Yeah.
So how can you say that we've got our ideas and we put in things with you?
Yeah.
It's basically our ideas.
Those
We go for
just
things we
raise
like.
so that I know where the
You've got a
questions are coming
fascinating product. You've got a fascinating ad out there. So if I get fascinated by that, obviously I'll go get the thing so that people who look at me say, yeah, he's using so and so product, and they like get fascinated, and that is the case.
Right.
So how can I exactly say
that's
that?
what I'm talking about now. I'm talking about the rationality of your mind, the rationality of your thinking. If you have a rational thinking, I don't think you are going to be fascinated by some, hanky-panky ads of an X.
But sir, how do we know that actually the product which are being advertised are really meeting those standards? Because the client may be making so many claims, but
by experience.
So maybe you first want to experiment on you those products, maybe even the ill effects of the products, and then you come to the conclusion that whether the product is right or not.
So that I guess we should learn in life. We should learn to learn in life from others' mistakes.
So you want someone else to be making mistake and then you learn.
It's not exactly like that. It's not like a give and take.
Okay, what does our directors have to say about this?
Definitely, everything. Ultimately, it's our choice. We have got to look at the products, various products, what our choices are. That's the most important thing in our life. We just cannot be misled by anything that are being put up in the television screen. And just because some companies are putting up a big human right that just like you talk about viral applications that you will become like Americans in 15 days. I have been using it for the last 2 months, and I might become just like you as successful as you.
Ads on your students, are they not having ill effects or facing ill effects of the same?
They are. Most of the times, we do not be rational every time. Not all of us think about the same pattern. Our thinking varies. Whereas each of us think in a different line. So we get misled. There is a maximum probability chance that we get misled by strategies.
Okay. There's one question coming from our audience.
Responsibility for society. What we see is totally, they want just profit and profit. For some example, I can sort out about Surf Excel and all that products. Their tagline is "Daag dhunte reh jaoge." But you will, if there is a daag on your clothes, you will never feel that after one wash it will go. What vanishes is the color of the cloth. Color.
Black color.
Black है.
So what means your motto is the total motto has become profit. You just compel, you just show something which never happens. So this is the fact. So what do you want to say about this?
So what is the
If it never happens, then why the sale is becoming higher and higher and higher?
That's what your motto is. You say daag dhunte reh jaoge. The actual fact is you can never vanish that daag in one wash. This is fact.
Yeah, it's like
this is fact. But you claim that aam agar kapde mein nichoda jaye, then also you can wash it in one wash. So this is not the fact.
There are lots of competition in the market that the companies represent going to
advertising company.